Bear snores on. É o urso que ressona. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark hair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, Peter Pat tiptoe creep crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. Mouse squeeze too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights with twigs with the small hot sparks. The coals peep pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneaky peeky in the den, Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and the hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, whips, slurps, Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yums, hums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divide 'em up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party on his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flakes make the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Oh, the bear, he's wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. Rawr! You have sneaked into my lair and you have all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear grumbles, he signs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun picks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friend snores on. O urso não consegue dormir, mas os outros animais adormeceram todos. E o urso ficou sozinho, porque os animais agora vão todos fazer ó.